Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya.
Today, we are going to talk about something very useful for travelers in daily life.
That's right. Today's topic is using public transport in English.
We will learn how to use buses and trains confidently.
And we will practice real-life conversations that you can use while traveling.
Maybe you're visiting a new city,
Or commuting to work.
or traveling abroad for the first time.
Whatever the situation, these English expressions will help you communicate clearly.
And as always, we will do fun role plays.
So listen carefully and repeat after us if you'd like extra practice.
Let's get started. But Maya, I have a confession.
Oh, what happened?
A few years ago, I got on the wrong bus.
Really?
Yes, I wanted to go downtown,
And where did you end up?
30 minutes away in the opposite direction.
Oh no,
The driver asked me something, but I didn't understand.
that can happen when you're nervous.
Exactly,
That's why learning transportation English is important.
because simple questions can save a lot of time.
Absolutely.
Questions like, does this bus go downtown?
Or, which platform should I use?
Or, how much is the ticket?
These are perfect examples.
Maya, before the role play, can we learn some important words?
Of course.
Let's do it.
First word, bus stop.
That's where people wait for a bus.
Correct.
What about a train?
You wait at a train station.
Easy.
Another useful word is ticket.
That's what you buy before traveling.
Exactly.
What is a platform?
A platform is the area where passengers wait for a train.
Good to know.
Here are some more useful words. Departure, arrival, route, schedule, fare, transfer.
What does fare mean?
Fare means the price you pay for transportation.
And transfer?
It means changing from one bus or train to another.
These words are very useful. Maya, now teach me some practical sentences.
Okay. Sentence number 1. Does this bus go to the city center?
Very useful.
Sentence number 2. How much is the ticket?
Simple and important.
Sentence number 3. Where can I buy a ticket?
Nice.
Sentence number 4. What time does the train leave?
Perfect.
Sentence number 5. Which platform should I use?
I hear that often in travel videos.
Because travelers ask it all the time.
Makes sense.
And here's another useful one. Could you tell me when we arrive?
Very polite.
Exactly. Alex, are you ready for our first role play now?
Absolutely.
In this role play, you are a passenger.
And you are the bus driver?
That's right.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
Great. How much is the fare?
It's $2.
Okay.
You can pay when you get on the bus.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long will it take to get there?
About 20 minutes.
Perfect.
Take a seat and enjoy the ride.
Thank you very much. Oh, Maya, that conversation felt very natural.
Because it happens every day.
I noticed that I used, does this bus go to?
Yes. That's one of the most useful transportation questions.
Because it helps confirm I'm on the right bus.
Exactly.
What if I don't know where to get off?
Then ask, could you tell me when we reach Central Station?
That's very helpful. Let's practice buying a ticket.
Let's do it.
Good morning.
Good morning. How may I help you?
I'd like to buy a train ticket.
Certainly. Where are you traveling?
To Riverside City.
One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
When would you like to return?
Tomorrow evening.
Okay, the total cost is $30.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Which platform should I use?
Platform number 6.
What time does the train leave?
At 10:15 a.m.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
But Maya, sometimes station staff aren't nearby.
That's true.
Can I ask another passenger?
Of course.
Let's practice.
Let's do it.
Excuse me.
Yes,
I'm trying to find platform 4.
it's downstairs, next to the coffee shop.
Thank you.
No problem.
Does the train to Green Valley leave from platform 4?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect.
The train should arrive in about 5 minutes.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Maya, what if something goes wrong?
That happens sometimes.
Like missing a train?
Exactly.
What should I say?
You can say, I missed my train. What should I do?
Good.
Or when is the next train?
Useful.
If you're lost, say, I think I'm at the wrong station.
That sounds familiar.
Hopefully not too familiar.
Very funny.
If you need directions, say, could you tell me how to get to Central Station?
Simple and polite.
Okay, Alex. Ready for the final challenge?
Let's do it. Excuse me.
How can I help you?
I'm trying to get to Airport Terminal 2.
You need to take the airport train.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy one from the ticket machine over there.
How much is it?
It's $8.
Okay. Which platform should I use?
Platform number 3.
What time does the train leave?
In 10 minutes.
Do I need to transfer?
No, it's a direct train.
That's great.
Just follow the signs to Platform 3.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Maya, let's review some useful sentences.
Great idea.
Does this bus go downtown? How much is the fare? Where can I buy a ticket? Which platform should I use? What time does the train leave? Could you tell me when we arrive? Do I need to transfer? When is the next train?
Excellent.
These are real sentences that travelers use every day.
And the more you practice them, the more confident you'll become.
So today we learn how to use public transport in English,
We practice taking a bus,
buying train tickets,
asking for directions.
and handling common travel situations.
Remember, confidence comes from practice.
So replay this lesson and repeat the conversations aloud.
You can even pause the video and play Alex's role yourself.
That's a great way to improve your speaking skills.
Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Tour.
Till then, bye.